Imagine this, a world without video calls. How do you think will it affect our modern communication system? At the present, connecting with anyone, anywhere, and anytime we want across the globe is now possible with just few clicks. But in the 1950s, long before Wi-Fi and smartphones were created, a Filipino scientist built a working two-way videophone. This Filipino showed that video calls were possible even before the internet existed. Video calling, defined as a call made via a device with a camera and a screen, allowing users to see each other as they talk, has become very common in the 21st century as technology continues to improve. However, long before the start of the so-called digital age, the concept of video calling used to exist only in sci-fi stories. This was until a Filipino engineer and physicist, Gregorio Zara, brought this concept to life by inventing the first videophone. He was also known as the father of video conferencing and was born in 1902 in Lipa, Batangas. According to National Academy of Science and Technology, he made this device in 1954 and eventually the next year. Among the 30 patented devices he had invented, this one was quite famous, and he named it Autophone Signal Separator Network. One might ask, how did a device like this work decades before the digital age? Well, he built a working device that sent voice and moving images through electrical signals and communication lines even before the internet existed. Essentially, he figured out a way to attach a television signal onto a standard telephone line. His success in electrical engineering was partly due to a principle he discovered prior to the invention of this device. He described it as the Zara effect, which explains how electrical resistance changes when metal parts move. By understanding how electricity behaves when contact points are sliding or rotating, engineers could better manage energy loss and reduce interference. This kind of foundational physics was critical for sending heavy, complex audiovisual signals over analog wires without the signal degrading. In the 1950s, when voices were only used on phone calls, seeing someone in real time was groundbreaking. Dr. Zara envisioned a tool that could change society, even hoping it would allow the hearing impaired to communicate over long distances using sign language. Because it required expensive, high-bandwidth analog lines, it wasn't accessible to the public at the time. Though it was not mass-produced, it laid the foundation for modern video communication like Zoom, Skype, and FaceTime. The technology was brilliant. The world just needed time to catch up to his vision. For his incredible contributions to science and aviation, in 1978 he was proclaimed National Scientist of the Philippines. Dr. Gregorio Zara proved that true innovation doesn't wait for the right era, it creates it. So, next time you make a video call, remember the brilliant Filipino mind who saw it coming.